Creamy and cheesy tomatillo chicken enchiladas with green sauce are easy to love. Poaching chicken breast takes 5 to 7 minutes. While that's happening, we're going to make the sauce. Poaching results in soft, tender meat that won't poke through our tortillas. Frying our tortillas makes them more pliable and less prone to be soggy when it's time to assemble. Most recipes present enchiladas as a casserole, but I opted for a speedier way. We're going to bake the enchiladas in the same skillet that we use to fry the tortillas. We're going to use just enough sauce to spread on the base layer beneath the rolls. Now put some sauce over the top, sprinkle with some cheese, bake in a 425-degree oven for about 12 minutes. To serve, we're going to put some sauce on the bottom of each of our serving dishes, and then you're going to lay the tortillas on top and dig in. It's so good.